Hey everyone, today we're going to look at the Kospet Tank T3 Ultra, a cutting-edge tactical wristwatch made for people who value utility and style in harsh environments. This wristwatch is distinguished not only by its toughness, but also by its sophisticated style, which fits well in formal contexts like business meetings and celebrations, as well as regular use. The stainless steel case of the Kospet Tank T3 Ultra adds a touch of elegance and toughness against physical harm. You can select the color that best suits your style from black or gray options. The straps are offered in black, silver, green, and brown, and are made of various materials, including leather, silicone, and stainless steel. A dependable fit on your wrist is ensured by the traditional clasp appearance. The Tank T3 Ultra's display is one of its best features. The watch has a 1.43-inch AMOLED screen that displays colorful, clear images, with a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels. Because of AMOLED technology, the display's compact dimension does not degrade its quality. It still offers rich colors and deep blacks. Corning Gorilla Glass 3 shields the screen from shocks and scratches, so that the watch's flawless appearance is preserved. Even in humid or glove-covered environments, the watch's functions are simple to operate thanks to the great sensitivity of its display. The Kospet Tank T3 Ultra is made to endure harsh environments. You can wear it in the rain, while swimming, or even in the shower, because it is waterproof up to 50 meters. Because of this, it's the perfect option for demanding work environments or an active lifestyle. Accuracy and multifunctionality are guaranteed by the ATS 3085L electronic mechanism that powers the Tank T3 Ultra. It integrates easily with your digital ecosystem and works with both iOS and Android operating systems. With its ability to receive calls, emails, calendar events, and SMS, the watch is a useful tool for everyday use. It also shows the current weather conditions in addition to the year, month, day of the week, date, and time. Go to the product link in the description below to see the Kospet Tank T3 Ultra's current price. To locate the model that fits your budget, make use of the handy filter options located on the right side of the catalog. To get the best bargain, keep a watch on pricing dynamics, particularly before the commencement of different promotions. Another noteworthy aspect of the Kospet Tank T3 Ultra is its battery life. With a 470 mAh battery, this watch can operate in standby mode for up to 50 days, which is exceptional for a device of its kind. With regular use, the watch doesn't need to be recharged for up to 15 days. The extended battery life significantly eases the burden of customers who don't want to bother about charging their gadget all the time. Those who travel frequently or have active lifestyles, where charging options may be few, should pay particular attention to this. The Kospet Tank T3 Ultra is the ideal fusion of appearance, usability, and robustness. It is a great option for daily use, official work in the army or on the battlefield, and more formal events, due to its adaptability to various conditions and elegant appearance. This watch is a flexible and helpful addition for everybody, thanks to its wide range of functions. Please feel free to share any additional thoughts you may have in the comment section below this video. Tell us what kind of smartwatch you wear and how you utilize it. Thank you for watching, have a nice day and God bless you.